In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails using your domain email through Gmail. This process not only helps streamline your email communications, but also maintains a professional appearance when interacting with clients and colleagues. So, let's get started on making Gmail work for you and your domain email. First up, we need to establish a foundation before we dive into exactly what you need to do. By setting this up, you're essentially going to use Gmail as a hub for all your email communications, allowing you to send and receive emails using your domain-specific email address. This means no more switching between different email platforms. It's a fantastic way to keep everything in one place and make your professional correspondence more seamless. To begin, open your browser and head over to Google Search, where you'll look for how to send emails with domain email using Gmail. Once you're there, you'll need to identify the right resources to guide you through the setup process. Often, it's in link form, so ensure you select a reputable source. It's important to remember that having access to your domain hosting provider's control panel is crucial, since you'll be needing to enter certain settings from there as well. Now, after grasping the necessary information, the next step involves heading over to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in. Navigate to the settings gear in the top right corner and click on See All Settings. Once you're in the settings menu, go to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you'll find an option to Send Mail As. You'll want to click on Add Another Email Address to enter your domain email. A new window will pop up, prompting you to fill in your name and your domain email address. Enter the full email address of your custom domain here. After entering this, you'll need to set up SMTP servers, just as you would any other email client. Your hosting provider should offer this information, often located in your account settings or within their support documentation. With your SMTP information ready, enter the server, port, email, and password as required in the fields provided. Ensure the secured connection using SSL is checked, or TLS, if that's what your provider recommends. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your email is transmitted securely over the internet. Once this bit of configuration is complete, Google will send a confirmation email to your domain email address. You'll need to access this email to confirm and verify your setup. Simply click the link they provide or enter the confirmation code back into the Gmail settings window. Congratulations! Your domain email should now be integrated with Gmail, allowing you to send emails as if they were originating from your domain. As a final tip, consider setting a default Send As address if you'll primarily be communicating using your domain email. This way, it makes things smoother and prevents any accidental mixes between your personal and professional emails. Enjoy this new streamlined way of communicating.